Struggling to get customers to trust your product or service? Here is the shocking truth. Nielsen reports that 92% of people trust recommendations from other people more than ads, even if those recommendations come from strangers online. That means your testimonials and reviews could be the most powerful sales tool you are not using. Here's the twist. Most testimonials are either too vague, too fake-sounding, or too boring to make an impact. So how do you write testimonials and reviews that actually sell? Let's break it down with 4 proven tips you can start using today. Tip 1. Make it specific. Generic lines like "this product is great" do not move anyone. Instead, a strong testimonial points to a clear result. Example: I grew my sales by 35% in 2 months after using this tool. Specific numbers build trust and feel more real. Tip 2. Focus on transformation. People do not just buy features. They buy the before and after story. Instead of saying "this app is easy to use," a stronger testimonial would say, "I used to spend 3 hours editing content. Now I finish in 20 minutes. That contrast makes people imagine their own transformation. Tip 3. Use relatable language. A testimonial should sound like a friend talking, not a script. Simple everyday words create connection. Imagine reading, "I am not a tech person at all, but this tool made me feel like a pro in minutes." That line is relatable and powerful. 4. Show the emotional benefit. People do not just want results. They want how those results make them feel. For example, "I finally have time for dinner with my family because I am no longer stuck working late." That hits deeper than just saving hours. Now here is where AI makes this easier. Instead of struggling to write or collect testimonials, you can use AI to draft powerful examples that feel natural and authentic. AI Creator Max has 100+ premium templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all built on proven marketing psychology like ADA, PASS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and you're done. It helps you write content 10x faster. Try it free. Link below. With the testimonial and review templates inside AI Creator Max, you can instantly create polished drafts that highlight specific transformation and emotional benefits. Bonus pro tip: always rotate your testimonials. According to Bright Local, 79% of people say they trust reviews that are less than 3 months old as much as personal recommendations. That means refreshing your testimonials regularly keeps your brand more trustworthy. Here's the big takeaway. You do not need hundreds of testimonials to sell more. You just need a few strong ones that are specific, transformational, relatable, and emotional. This video is part of a full playlist that shows you how to use AI for smarter marketing step by step. Keep watching to discover even more shortcuts that save time and boost sales. If this helped, hit like so more people find it, subscribe so you never miss the next video, and comment with the hardest part about getting customer reviews. And when you are ready to create testimonials that sell, go to AICreatorMax.com and start generating reviews in minutes.